Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Learning, where we make learning English fun and simple. Today, we're talking about something we all struggle with, difficult English words. Have you ever seen a word and thought, how on earth do I say this? Don't worry, you're not alone. English can be tricky because some words look one way but sound completely different. In this video, I'll show you some easy tips and tricks to pronounce those confusing words correctly. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Tips for pronunciation. 1. Break the word into syllables. Many long words become easier when you break them into smaller parts. For example, take the word uncomfortable. Instead of saying it all at once, divide it into syllables, uncomfortable. But when we speak quickly, it's pronounced as uncomfortable. Practice breaking big words like enthusiastic and enthusiastic into smaller chunks. 2. Focus on stress and intonation. In English, certain syllables are stressed, meaning they are pronounced louder or clearer than others. For example, desert, a dry place, versus desert, to abandon. Contest, a competition, versus contest, to challenge. Listen for the stressed syllables and try emphasizing them. 3. Listen and repeat. The best way to learn is to listen to native speakers. Use tools like Google or language apps to hear words pronounced correctly. For instance, type kernel into Google. Surprisingly, it's pronounced as kernel. After listening, repeat the word several times. Record yourself if possible to compare. Bonus tip: practice with phonetics. Learn basic phonetic symbols for tricky sounds. For example, the word genre uses the zh sound, like genre. Mispronounced English words with their correct pronunciation. Comfortable. Wrong, comfortably. Correct, comfortable. Wednesday. Wrong, Wednesday. Correct, Wednesday. Explanation: the middle D is silent in casual speech. Dessert versus desert. Dessert, sweet dish dessert. Desert, dry land desert. Develop. Wrong, develop. Correct, develop. Mischievous. Wrong, mischievous. Correct, mischievous. Archive. Wrong, archive, with ch sound. Correct, archive. Debt. Wrong, debt, with b sound. Correct, debt, silent b. Coup. Explanation: a French origin word with a silent p. Correct pronunciation: co. Espresso. Explanation: many mistakenly add an x. Correct pronunciation: espresso. Now it's time to practice. I'll say each word slowly, and you repeat after me. Don't worry if it's tricky at first, just keep trying. Comfortable. comfortable, comfortable. Kernel, kernel, kernel. Quinoa, quinoa, quinoa. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Genre, genre, genre. Mischievous, mischievous, mischievous. Debris, debris, debris. Desert, deserty, desert. Espresso, espresso, espresso. Let's make this fun. I'll say a word, and you guess its pronunciation before I reveal it. Ready? Did you guess it right? It's pronounced quinoa. Great job! That's it for today's lesson. Now you've learned how to pronounce some of the most challenging words in English. Remember, improving your pronunciation takes time, so don't be afraid to practice regularly. Which word did you find the most surprising or difficult? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if there's a word you're still unsure about, type it below, and I'll include it in my next video. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't worry about making mistakes, they're part of learning. Replay this session anytime and keep practicing. Which of these words did you already know how to pronounce? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Learning for more easy English tips. See you in the next video. Happy learning!